Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now it's time for the nation's sharpest opinion. What was long seen as the cause of the leftists, the extreme leftists, has been officially adopted by the Congress party. The day the Indian security forces had their biggest win against Maoist terrorism, the Congress party, through an official press conference, called the Maoist terrorists Shaheed, called them martyrs. There's no point doing any course correction later, saying we didn't mean it. Of course you meant it, because it was said with the cameras rolling at an official press conference. These people who have romanticized the urban Naxals, who have given protection and oxygen to this ridiculous narrative sold by those who I believe are already sold out against Indian interests. This Gandhian with Guns Brigade, this narrative of the Raj Babbars calling Maoist revolutionaries, this Rahul Gandhi view of the world saying that urban Naxals are NGO workers, these people have zero idea about the ground reality. But a day before the vote, I think it's even more nerve-wracking that they don't seem to have an iota of conscience for the protection of the country. Because it's not accidental, viewers, that the Congress party is speaking about Maoists as Shaheed. Because for the Congress and company, the Arun Ferreiras, the Varavara Raos, the Sudha Bhardwajas, the Rona Wilsons are just profound intellectual activists, not supporters of Maoists. And when India gets tolerant to the protection and sanction of this idea and ideology, that's when I believe our democracy is in true danger. Because these Maoists killed 31 security personnel last year, 13 this year, and destroyed 2,681 families of security personnel in the last 2 decades alone. And for the Congress party officially to give the sanction to picking up of arms against the Indian state will not go unpunished, in my view, not by the people of India. So to refer to them as Shaheed or martyrs is just unpardonable. Let's debate.
I'm just at the encounter spot where 29 Naxalites were killed. They were neutralized. Republic is the only media network channel that has come over here to give you the exact location where the entire encounter took place. Right now, I'm just sitting in the vehicle that was carrying arms and ammunition recovered during that entire operation. So what has happened in the 5-hour entire operation, that what we have seen that 29 Naxalites were killed. They were neutralized by the BSF and the Chhattisgarh police. And here you can see all those arms and ammunition. So this is a gun that is that is kept over here. Apart, it's not just one gun or two guns. There are multiple guns that have been recovered. And apart from that, if you see, there have been other machines, and there are some cordless objects. There's a wireless phone as well over here.
The time they carry maximum of their incidents. So from January to May is their time they gather, they carry out huge incidents, and that's why we were also on alert based on past experience. We were trying to hit this area, but because of various reasons and the difficulties involved, we could not execute. But with the strong intelligence and good ground support, we were able to do it now.
We are just in the forest area where this operation was conducted by the Chhattisgarh police team, and apart from that, the BSF team, in which they have successfully neutralized 29 Naxalites. Republic is the only media network channel that has come over here to give you the exact location where the entire encounter took place.
79 Maoists killed this year in Chhattisgarh. 29 Maoists killed in just one day. 3 top Maoist commander neutralized. Nefarious agenda to create chaos. But for Vadra Congress, Maoists are martyrs.
नहीं, मैं इस पे कोई राजनीति नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. मुझे लगता है इसकी बिल्कुल गहन जांच होनी चाहिए और उन सब लोग जो शहीद हुए, हमारे सुरक्षाकर्मी भी कुछ घायल हुए, उन सबको हमारी संवेदनाएं हैं और इसमें कोई राजनीति का सवाल ही नहीं है.
From Afzal supports to sympathies for Maoists. Is it accidental or engineered? Let's debate.
Kapil Madan, Shazia Elmi and GD Bakshi. Kapil Madan, why did the Congress party refer to the Maoist terrorists who were killed as martyrs, as shaheed? And why did it demand an investigation into the operation in which the security forces successfully killed 29 terrorists in a single day? What is there to investigate? Who will investigate? Rahul Gandhi will investigate whether the security forces did the right thing or wrong thing. 1 minute, you're muted.
And if you're trying,
Muted yourself, but I don't understand. First of all, what is there to investigate? What is there to investigate?
Was not said. If you
What is there to investigate in a you will investigate Balakot?
Just a minute, Arnav. Allow me to complete. I think it's a sensitive topic, and this deserves an uninterrupted discussion. So, Arnav, if you listen to the entire debate, what she really meant was, and she was under an impression that some of our soldiers were martyred, and in that context, she has made that statement. She has never made that statement that any attackers, Mois. She is not referred to them as martyrs. So this one thing is very, very clear. Now the second thing is, I think you're forgetting that she also very clearly mentioned that she does not want to politicize this issue, and not once she said this statement, twice. But BJP being BJP, they don't have any other issue. They will try to make an issue out of a non-issue. Because remember what happened in Pulwama? In Pulwama happened, then Satyapal Malik questioned his own government, then he took up the responsibility and blamed the government, and he stated very categorically that it was our mistake because of which that kind of an incident happened. So inquiries happen to get to the root of the matter, how things have happened, and briefings happens after every operation, almost every operation. But to give this kind of a color, I think this is a very, very sinister plan wherein a section from the incumbent government is trying to give a
audio should be
completely false narrative that she is referred to Mois as martyred. This was not said, and she said it very, very clearly that she does not want to do
Thank
politics.
you, Kapil. I'll get Shazia to respond to you. I'll get Shazia to respond to you, and General Bakshi will come in after that.
Yes,
but
I really want to come
repeat
in.
The words used by the Congress party.
Yes.
इसकी गहरी जांच होनी चाहिए. That's the word used by the Congress. Why the terrorists were killed? इसकी गहरी जांच. क्या जांच होनी चाहिए? टेररिस्ट तो मारे जाएंगे, इसकी जांच क्या है? ये किस तरह की लैंग्वेज है, किस तरह की सोच है? शाजिया.
Absolutely. It's one shocker after another coming from Supriya Srinath, who says iski gehen jaanch, gehri jaanch honi chahiye. And then she says, and we all heard it loud and clear, Kapil, so let's not mince our words and let's not pretend it didn't happen and feign ignorance, because I heard very clearly कि गहन जांच होनी चाहिए, और जो लोग शहीद हो गए हैं उसके अलावा सुरक्षा दल भी मारे गए हैं, यानी कि शहीद अलग और सुरक्षा दल अलग. सुरक्षा दल BSF
exactly, separation.
and जो शहीद हुए नक्सलाइट, बिकॉज कौन गए थे? नक्सलाइट्स मारे गए थे. कितने मारे गए थे? 29. In the first and one of the biggest encounters that has ever happened. The prize money on one of the leaders was almost 25 lakhs, the bounty on him. So this was a huge, big accomplishment, something we are proud of, because it just made India safer for us. And the Adivasis, BSF Jawans, normal Chhattisgarhis were targeted every now and then. BSF hit back, and like how? And instead of being proud, you want to call those people who were killed Shaheed. I mean, it can't get any worse than this. And, you said a lot of other things also. You mentioned Pulwama. You tried to confuse and convolute the issue. Let me tell you a little something about Satyapal Malik. Satyapal Malik was very happy being the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. He waited out a whole year, after which he became Governor of Goa. He waited for another year. He went on to become the Governor of Meghalaya. And after 3 years and 4 of gubernatorial powers, he decided to call it a day, and he suddenly remembered, oh, Pulwama happened, over which he was quiet for 3 to 4 years because he was being given one governorship after the other. So don't quote false gods and try to confuse the matter. I think Supriya Shrineth should apologize, one. The party, Congress party, should should express themselves and tell us exactly what the stand is on Naxalism, Naxalites, left-wing extremists, insurgents, Maoists, killers of simple BSF people who waged this war against India and have just wreaked havoc upon havoc on my country and in the Red Corridor. So I think there's a lot more you have to answer instead of obfuscating and running hither and thither.
I'll get
Can I give
General
a very
Bakshi in
quick?
also.
Can I give a very quick response?
Let me open up the
I'll
debate
just
with
take 30
General
minutes.
Bakshi.
Anna, I'll just.
Let me open up the debate with
referred-
General Bakshi.
Just a
Now,
minute, just a minute. I think it's an important issue.
Kapil.
It's a very
Kapil, you have the
sensitive
right to
issue,
rebut.
Anna.
I will give you the right to rebut. But what happens here? Kapil? Let's hear everyone and open it up. One observation before I go to General Bakshi. Her words were, and I'll tell you, इसकी गहरी जांच होनी चाहिए. और सब लोग जो शहीद हुए हैं उसके बाद सेपरेटली शी सेज और हमारे सुरक्षा कर्मी भी कुछ घायल हुए हैं. शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट लोग बिकमिंग शहीद. शी डज नॉट इवन कॉल देम टेररिस्ट. शी ट्राइज टू मेक इट लुक लाइक इनोसेंट सिविलियंस हैव बीन किल्ड. ये टिपिकल वो अरुंधति रॉय वाली नैरेटिव है, गांधीयंस विद गन्स, दैट काइंड ऑफ रबिश. यू नो, those kind of disgusting comments are being repeated again. लोग नहीं मारे गए, ये टेररिस्ट है भाई. This is an attempt at underplaying the sacrifice of our soldiers. And this is being done by the same party which till now, when 79 people were killed in Dantewada, there were celebrations in JNU. इनको रिमाइंड करे उसके बारे में, ये प्रो कन्हैया कुमार ब्रिगेड को रिमाइंड करे तो इनको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Anyway, so I'd like to get GD Bakshi into the debate, viewers. Very strong sentiments on this. GD Bakshi, you've seen the defense of Kapil Madan. What do you think?
You know, Arnab, every year the Maoists launch their spring counter-offensive. That is when the deciduous vegetation is the thickest and before the leaves fall off and visibility from the helicopters becomes good. They every year launch what is called a spring counter-offensive, in which they generally use IEDs to blast and kill civilians, local people, inflict horrific casualties. Thank God this year the BSF, the local police, they preempted them, and they have carried out a fabulous, a very successful operation in which 29 Maoists, including 3 top leaders, have been killed. And you can see that the huge cache of arms, AK-47, Kalashnikovs, rifles, and a whole lot of other firearms, etc., which have been recovered. They have prevented horrific tragedies and killing which generally happen every spring, just before the onset of summer. Now, instead of applauding the security forces, instead of applauding the guys who risk their life and their necks for you, here is the narrative which feeds into the Breaking India forces to stymie security forces operations, put them on the back foot, start inquiries, harry them, harass them, people who are risking life and limb for you. And I think these holier than thou, post-comment explanations do not wash. शहीद कौन हुआ है? शहीद केवल जो मारा गए हैं इस ऑपरेशन में, वो केवल टेररिस्ट मारे गए हैं. हमारे जवान, थैंक गॉड, केवल 3 घायल हुए हैं. So you can't now say ki shaheed when you are trying to imply that means those who died. They are only the terrorists. How can they be called shaheed? My God, which side are you on? For God's sake, let us know. No less a personage than Prime Minister Manmohan Singh.
Anyway, Kanhaiya is their party candidate. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt, General Bakshi? General Bakshi, I'll tell you one thing. Everybody knows the way the Congress party has gone. We all remember Rahul Gandhi visited JNU after protests were organized against the hanging of Afzal Guru. These protesters had called Afzal Guru also a martyr, a shaheed. And during the protest, they were sloganeering, demanding Azadi. Several anti-national remarks were made by these people who supported those who said, Bharat, hum sharminda hai, tere qatil zinda hai. Afzal, hum sharminda hai, tere qatil zinda hai. And Rahul Gandhi had gone and said a youngster expressed himself and the government is saying is anti-national. I had my doubt, but I have no doubt now because I know Kanhaiya is your party candidate. अब वो मुखौटा भी नहीं रहा कपिल मदन. उन्हीं लोगों
Can I
बना
give
दिए
you
उन्होंने.
a because of
Tharoor had
one
tweeted
doctor,
saying
if
Afzal Guru's
that
hanging
is
was
being
wrong.
so,
Your
I'll tell you.
leaders
Let
call
me
them
respond.
Afzal Ji.
Yeah.
Your leaders call them
respond.
Afzal Ji, and your party spokespersons call Maoist terrorist Shaheed. And tell me, convince me that this is accidental. Your argument is today, Kapil, ये गलती से हो गई. ये कैसे हुई? इस
No.
तरह की गलती आप कैसे करते?
I think Arnab, I think you're
Osama
not
ji, Afzal
listening
ji.
when Mr. When Mr.
Is it a mistake? Is it accidental? You're saying it's
he was making an
accidental.
important.
Are you saying it's
Arnab, Bakshi
accidental?
was
I'm
making-
asking you.
No.
Are you saying what she said was
Allow,
accidental?
no, allow me to. Arnab, you don't listen.
Like
The
her
point
tweet
is
on
I'm trying to
Kankana
refer-
was accidental.
I am trying to.
No, is
just
it accidental? I'm asking you.
I think General
You can say
G.D.
yes or
Bakshi
no.
made a very important point. No, General G.D. Bakshi made a very important point wherein he quoted Dr.
No, but was it accidental? Sorry,
Manmohan Singh said.
you can
No,
praise Dr.
I'm sorry.
General
Just a
G.D.
minute.
Bakshi's point.
Just a minute.
What was
You
said
want
by
to-
your party leader
Colonel
calling
Bakshi has
Maoist
served-
terrorist Shaheed,
Colonel
was it
Bakshi
accidental?
has served the nation, the
Was
armed
it
forces for the
accidental?
longest period of time.
गलती से बोली क्या?
You are not even paying heed.
No.
to
Was
General
she
Bakshi-
said? Was it
What did General
accidental?
Bakshi said? What did
What
General
she
Bakshi
said,
said?
was it accidental?
No,
Why do you want to
just
ignore
allow
what
me-
she said?
Just allow me.
Your party spokesperson
debate,
called your party
It's a debate.
spokesperson called
Arnab, I
terrorist
believe
Shaheed. Was that
it's not a
accidental?
monologue.
Was that by
Arnab,
mistake?
Is it a monologue?
Unintentional.
If it's a monologue, then you don't need me.
No,
You
I'm
can
asking.
continue
It's
the
not a monologue. It's a repeated
I'm
question.
responding.
Why
I'm
can't
responding.
you answer
have
the
to give me
question?
an opportunity.
You can say it was intentional or accidental.
So, no. Just
Was it intentional or accidental?
No, Arnab,
Or is that your party
she
line?
never used the word
your new
Maoist when she referred, the word martyred. She was making a reference in the context of our forces, our armed forces, and that is very, very categorical. And allow me to now quote what did General Bakshi say.
नहीं, आपने
He
कहा
made a
दो
very
लोग
important
शहीद हुए.
point.
कौन
He
शहीद
quoted
हुआ है?
Dr. Manmohan Singh.
कौन शहीद हुआ है? किसके बारे में बोल रहे थे?
She said और सुरक्षा
कौन शहीद
दल.
हुआ है?
Arnab. just
She
a
said
minute.
सुरक्षा बल later on.
Shazia, I never.
कौन शहीद हुआ है?
You are a very experienced debater. You will
शहीद
take your
कौन
turn
हुआ है?
and you please speak on your turn.
No, but आपने
Arnab,
कहा शहीद.
it's ironical. It's
Sir,
ironical.
शहीद
A
कौन हुआ
party
है?
has lost two
In that
prime ministers.
incident, sir, in that incident,
ensuring the integrity, the territorial integrity of the country.
I know 29
You are-
terrorists
you are-
died. Who else died?
So Arnab, now tell me something. What was the cause of assassination of Indira Gandhi? You please tell me. Why did she was assassinated? Who were the forces behind it? Why were Mr. Rajiv Gandhi assassinated? Now you're trying to question a party who has lost two prime ministers.
What are you comparing to what?
I mean, isn't it ironical?
Gandhi was killed by her
Isn't
own
it ironical
security
now
guard, but
you
what
are
are you
trying to
comparing
give
it
an
to?
impression?
No, what's the
You are
comparison?
trying to give an impression.
What is the comparison?
The argument is you are trying to give a completely motivated impression to serve the BJP that the Congress is trying to project Moise as someone.
No, I'm one minute. Now that you've said your piece, you hear it back also.
No, I'm
One
sorry.
minute. Kapil, now that you've said your piece and you made some very unfair points out here, you have to listen to my response.
Your audience is smarter. They get
listen
that.
to me. Listen to
They
me.
get that. It's a false.
I am asking you, was Sonia
political
Gandhi crying
narrative.
during the Batla House encounter? Did Salman Khurshid say वो बहुत रो रही थी?
No.
She was crying for the
You
Batla
please
House
show,
terrorists. Did she
you
say
please
that or
show
not?
video. You please show video or an interview wherein Mrs. Sonia Gandhi was crying on that. You please show
whole
that.
world has heard
I challenge you.
Salman
Please show
Khurshid
that.
say
You
that.
please show that.
Salman
show that.
Khurshid
I'll show
said
you the
that.
video of Salman Khurshid saying she was
Khurshid
crying.
was a
Was
minister
Salman
at that
some
point of
reference?
time.
Salman
Actually
Khurshid
said
झूठ
that.
बोल रहे थे?
Yes, I'll tell you.
Arnab, you will make some,
okay,
mumbo jumbo
okay.
reference
I have
which
a
does not
question,
have
Arnab.
any kind of
If Salman
consequence,
Khurshid said
and
that,
you will
No,
try
I
to
have
spin
a point.
again, a false narrative.
I have a point to make.
What are you trying to
Kapil,
say? What are you trying to
Kapil,
say?
Kapil.
Now I'll tell you, Shazia. Let me just make one
Arnab, through
question
you,
to you,
I want to
Shazia.
ask him.
Our
So,
honorable
Salman
Prime
Khurshid was a minister at that point of time.
No.
When he talked about
No.
Sonia Gandhi crying and being in tears,
No.
you tell me,
No.
but was Salman Khurshid sacked? Was he removed from the
No.
ministry?
So
I'm
I'll
asking
just
you,
ask
Kapil.
you a question, Sadia.
Was he sacked
Sadia,
from the
I'm just
ministry?
asking.
He continued to remain
So
a minister. You were playing a
allow me to
game
respond.
with Butler
Allow
House.
me to.
You
Can
had
I make
nothing to
a,
say when
can I make a
Inspector
response?
MC Sharma.
Can I?
Imagine the family of that inspector who died, who was killed. But
Can I
there was no
respond to
sympathy
you?
for him. In fact,
Can I
Digvijay Singh
respond?
and Salman Khurshid went out of the way, and they even went to Azamgarh and said a Butler House encounter was fake, not once but many times.
Can I just give you a quick response? None other than our honorable Prime Minister
No, I
on
just want to give
record
you
on his
details of
Twitter
that
handle.
case.
Just a minute, Shalia, be patient. Our honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, from his official Twitter account called our army weak during the UPA. Did you question the honorable Prime Minister back then? Did you seek his resignation back then? Our honorable Prime Minister did a press conference when the Mumbai attacks happened. And where did the press conference happen? Press conference happened right, near the hotel where the attack happened. Did you ask the honorable Prime Minister that at this point in time whether it is appropriate to do politics or not, when the nation should be together, when we should be backing our armed forces, when we should be backing our own people who have suffered, who have lost life?
How exactly
any
are you
political
connecting
leader
this?
who-
But
No, I am
I
connecting.
covered
Because
2611.
the question is,
So did Arnab.
the question
And
is
we know
about
what
the armed
happened.
forces.
No, we all know what happened.
answering
We
the
all know what
question.
happened 2611.
No.
So I think there should have been questions.
So,
And I'm so glad there were questions.
No, I am
don't
sorry.
even know
No,
what
I
you're
am
saying.
sorry.
Arnab, can I
You know
please
what
come
you
in?
think?
No,
What you
I am
think is
sorry.
actually a problem, is actually a virtue.
As Jaishankar
No.
told me,
We've got it all wrong, I think.
as
The
Jaishankar
value
told me,
systems differ so much.
as S. Jaishankar told me, General Bakshi, no, at the moot point of this, just give me a moment, General Bakshi, before I come to you. As S. Jaishankar told me in the interview recently, he said the considered and official view of the Congress party as written in his own book was that we should do nothing vis-a-vis Pakistan. Not doing anything vis-a-vis Pakistan, General Bakshi, was their official policy. Calling Osama ji is their official policy. Calling Afzal Guru Afzal ji is their official policy. Going to JNU and supporting the Kanhaiya Brigade and now making him a party candidate is their official policy. And my only question is, if you did it unintentionally, you go and say, we are very sorry, it was unintentional, at least somebody will believe. You want to brazen it out, nobody will. General Bakshi, you're hearing Kapil's defense of this statement. Your quick last response.
Arnab, I have been in counter-terrorist operations half my life. And it is extremely distressing for us in uniform. Firstly, to lay down our lives on the line, to risk our necks, and then get pilloried for it. Then face a propaganda blast, designed to stymie the operations, put the armed forces on the back foot, induce guilt, expose the boys to, courts of inquiries and summaries of evidence and, make them miserable. One, you risk your life and limb, and then you face the courts, then you face all these people. Today, it is disingenuous of this gentleman to say what he has said, because had there been casualties both on the side of the security forces and the terrorists, then you could have said Shaheed. Because the boys who are Shaheed, the only people who deserve to be called Shaheeds are the boys who are fighting for their country. The police, the armed forces, the BSF, etc.
Correct.
But today there have been, thank God, no casualties to the BSF, to the police. Only 3 of the boys were injured. They could not be called Shaheed. You don't call a boy who's alive Shaheed. Number one, and then why do you ask for a court of inquiry? A court of inquiry? He's risked his life for you. What more can he do? And then you ask him now to go and face the damn courts.
Kapil,
for God's sake, you should put yourself in the shoes of the soldiers.
Kapil, I'll tell you. The point here is that imagine today what the family of a security personnel who is risking their lives and is risking their lives will feel. That the Congress party is saying that they should be put under investigation for risking their life. This is
so Arnab, yes. So Arnab, you made a very important point. I think General G.D. Bakshi would agree with me. When the Pulwama incident happened and when Satyapal Malik made an exposure, just feel what did the family of our martyrs of Pulwama would feel. And I would, certainly agree that, General Bakshi would agree with.
Okay, I want to ask you something. Kapil, I'll ask you something. Kapil, I'll ask you something. Kapil, I was closing the debate, but I heard you. So in fairness, I'll respond to you.
I'm sure.
In fairness, I will respond to you. No. In fairness, I will respond to you. In fairness, I will respond to you. 1 minute. In fairness, I will respond to you. 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 I'll respond to you. Just one simple. No. You can't say when I'm responding. You can't say no or no. I heard you.
No, I never said no.
Satyapal Malik. I totally agree. But I want. No. Can I please? I totally agree with what Shazia said earlier, but I'm not going to talk about that. I'm only going to ask you. You tell me today. It has been over a year. Has this fellow Satyapal Malik shown one piece of evidence to back what he claimed? One transcript, one recording, one anything? कुछ भी किसी यूट्यूबर को बोल दोगे और हम एक्सेप्ट करेंगे.
Why did you?
YouTube journalism band कीजिए. Stop this YouTube journalism.
How convenient. 3 years later.
Very important.
If I say today that you carried out a murder at 6:30 this morning. 1 minute. If I say today to you, I think you murdered someone at 6:30 in the morning before going for your morning walk. And you say, absolutely not. But I say, let us have an inquiry at least. Let us put you in jail, have an inquiry.
Can I just respond?
See how ridiculous you are sounding, man.
Yes. Now, how I will expose and debunk this,
Satyapal Malik to date has just a shred of evidence, a molecule of evidence.
He was the governor. Did he resign then?
No.
Did
The
he
point is,
resign?
No,
Did he resign?
Exactly.
I think I said
Not
something
only
that
did
did
not
hurt me
resign,
out.
he
So should I
continued.
resign? Did he resign?
He enjoyed a stint at being a governor in Meghalaya
Can I please?
and
This
Goa
is an important
after
point.
that.
And it has been
That is the
repeatedly
funniest part
raised.
of it all. And
who is
Can I-
responsible?
Anyway, I'm
Arnab,
going
can
into
I
the
please-
at the
I
last
request your
debate,
permission.
ladies
Now
and
the question
gentlemen.
is, now the
In 30
question, I asked
seconds, no,
only
sir.
one question, Arnab, and
Yes,
I
okay.
leave it
GD
to General
Bakshi is
Bakshi to
requesting
decide.
my
No,
permission.
Arnab, I just want to tell you one thing.
Nobody should
One
dignify
question. No, please
the
understand
nonsense-
one point.
The nonsense that you
Please,
speak.
no,
without any
Shazia, just let me.
substantiation
Just let me.
should not be
Please
dignified.
understand one point. Our entire supplies, our entire leave parties, our entire convoys, etc., go by the land route. Satyapal Malik was saying that we should stop the convoys and start flying them. Are you out of your mind? Are you trying to tell us that we can't, in our own country, go by the land route? We give it up to the terrorists?
30 seconds,
What
I took
are
the
you
point. 30
talking,
seconds,
man?
second commercial
You know
break.
how
Coming
much
back,
supplies go
coming
to
back, the
Ladakh,
mystery.
to Kargil,
Can I-
to Suez,
Why
through
the
land
mystery
route?
over why
He was saying fly everybody
the
because-
mystery
Oh, yes, let me
over
just
why
make
Arvind
one joke.
Kejriwal,
Let me just-
who suffers from type 2 diabetes, is having so many sugary things in jail. And if anybody has a lot of sugary things, then your blood sugar levels should be going up. Anybody who has type 2 diabetes or any form of sugar problem should be eating less. The real issue is, and Shazia is smiling, but I'll put this on air, Shazia having a laugh at this, but Shazia, this has become a very serious issue. It has, can I have her back on air, Shazia, it's a very serious issue. Why is he having so much mithai in jail? And if he has mithai in jail, whether you have mithai in jail or at home, your sugar levels are going to go up.
So I've known him for very many years, 2010 and 11. So this is, ever since I've known him, he's had diabetes type 2. Arvind has always had that issue, which is why, and all of us knew about it, which is why he had to eat a certain way. So he knows exactly how to deal with his diabetes. Now, I cannot understand for the life of me, why is his wife, if that's the food coming from his wife or wherever it's coming from, why are they sending him mangoes? And why, and is there an accusation that he's making that he's being stuffed with gulab jamuns and barfi and rasmalai and mangoes and he's being force-fed? So I, for the life of me, can't figure this out. But Arvind knows very well what to eat, what not to eat. He's been dealing with this situation for a very long time, even when he fasted at Santosh Kohli's house. So I did find it very amusing. So I don't know. I don't believe a word of it.
We'll discuss the
I mean, why would
politics of Arvind
tell me
Kejriwal's
something?
diet.
If somebody's offering him mangoes, would he eat it?
Yeah.
Fructose of mangoes is highest. So everybody knows that, and Arvind knows it only too well.
Yeah.